Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to send auto response email confirmation in contact form 7. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. Then let's get started. Go to the website and very fast let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. That's why navigate to the contact us page from the right side top, just click over here. Then you will see already I have added a contact form which I built with contact form 7 plugin. You can see I have added multiple file upload option and Google reCAPTCHA. So if you want to create this type of contact form and want to add this type of field like multiple file upload field and Google reCAPTCHA, then you can check my previous video. Just go to my YouTube channel WP Henry, then check just playlist, from the playlist then the contact form 7 tutorials, then you will get it. Don't worry, I have given the link in this video description so you can check it from here. Now I can close this tab and again go to the contact us page. Now try to send a message from here. Then let's try to check how does it work and how we can do it. Okay, so just type your name, then the email address. I want to give this email as an sender. Just keep in mind this is the sender email as a sender. Okay, then the subject, just copy this text and paste here. Then the upload file, I want to give like this 3 files here. Open it. Then I'm not a robot, check this box. Okay, now before submitting the form, let's check the admin email. So go to the dashboard and this is the contact form. Just hover over here, then click contact form. Okay, this is the contact form which I have shown in front end. This is the form, so just click and edit it. Navigate to the mail tab, you can see form, then the mail, just click over here and you can see this is the admin email or receiver email. Okay, so now I can send this message. Just click over here, submit. Okay, thank you for your message, it has been sent. Now go to the admin email and check it. This is the admin email and you can see as an admin I have received the email. Just click over here and then check. This is the file which I uploaded in this contact form. Okay, so now it was fine, but as a sender, just check the sender email. You can see this is the sender email, but I did not get any confirmation. So as an admin, if I can send a confirmation email, then it will be more effective and professional, and the sender will be confirmed that his or her email or message has been worked perfectly. Okay, so let's check how we can do it. So again go to the editor. This is the editor and you have to navigate to the mail tab. This is the mail tab. Just scroll down, then you can see mail 2. You have to check this box. Just scroll down and you can see 2. This actually this is, it will be the sender email. Okay, just scroll up, then you can see this is the sender email. So just you have to copy it, your email, or you can copy it from here. Okay, then the scroll down and you have to give here. Okay, sorry, it will be email. Okay, not name. Just again scroll up and check email. This is the email, your email. Okay, copy and again paste here. It will be email address, not name. Okay, then the form and subject, it's okay, your subject. Then the additional header, okay, it's okay. Then the message body, I can copy this message like, or I can write it here. Okay, hi, then give name. So now I can copy this name. This is the sender name actually. So name and message, just I can give here, or I can write here, I have received your email, or we have received your email. Email or message, then I can give here the message shortcode. Just copy this shortcode, message shortcode, and paste it here. Okay, then the name, I can copy the name shortcut from here. Then I can give here your name. Oh, already I have given it. Okay, it's okay. Now I have to give the file attachment. So again, just scroll up and copy it, then give it here. Finally save it. Again go to the contact us page and refresh this page. That's why I have to send the message again. Okay, again, so now I can close it. It's okay. So again try to send a message from here. This is the sender email and subject, copy it and paste it here. Then the again upload file, like I want to give 3 file, open. Then the I'm not a robot, just submit it. Okay, you can see thank you for your message, it has been sent. Now I can check the admin email. This is the admin email and you can see as an admin I have received the email. Okay, this is the email. And now go to the sender email and you can see this is the sender email. I want to purchase your service. Just click over here and check it. Just scroll down and you can see we have received your message. I want to purchase. This is the message actually and name. So again go to the contact form for the confirmation. This is the text which I have written here. We have received your message. It will go to the sender email address. Okay, and this is the sender email address which works perfectly. I think you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.